In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Calendar in ICS format and import it into Google Sheets using Excel. This process might seem a bit intricate at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to ensure that everything is crystal clear. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. This is your starting point for exporting your calendar data. Once you're on the Google Calendar webpage, look for the 3 vertical dots next to the calendar you want to export. Clicking on them will reveal more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. This is where you'll find all the options related to your calendar's settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the option to Export Calendar. Click on this, and your calendar data will download as an ICS file to your computer. The ICS file format is a universal calendar format used by many applications, making it easy to transfer your data. Now, let's switch gears and open Google Sheets. You'll want to go to the sheet where you'd like to import your calendar data. Once your spreadsheet is open, navigate to the Extensions menu at the top. Click on it, then select Apps Script from the drop-down menu. This opens the scripting environment where you'll write and run scripts to manipulate your spreadsheet data. In the Apps Script interface, click on the option to Add a new script. A new blank script file will appear, and it's here where you'll write the code necessary to import your ICS file data into Google Sheets. For now, you'll want to erase all existing code in this new script file so that you can start fresh. Next, we'll be heading over to a GitHub repository that contains a useful script for this process. Once you find the repository with the code named code.js, open it up and copy the entire script. Navigate back to your Google Sheets script editor and paste the copied code into your new script file. Don't forget to save your changes. After saving, you'll need to create another file by clicking Add, but this time select HTML from the drop-down menu. Give this file a suitable name. You'll need to go back to the same GitHub repository and find the file named uploadform.html. Open this file on GitHub, copy all the code, then return to your HTML file in the script editor and paste the copied code. Again, make sure to save your work. With both scripts successfully in place, you're ready to deploy your project. Simply click on the Deploy button in the script editor to get things running. Once deployed, you can upload your ICS file through the interface you've just built, and your calendar data will be imported into your Google Sheet. And that's it! You've successfully exported your Google Calendar to an ICS file and imported it into Google Sheets using Excel. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit any of these steps if needed. Thanks for watching.